This gentle Chair Tai Chi workout helps reduce visceral fat, burn belly fat, improve circulation, and relax your whole body. Simple seated movements, no standing required. Just follow along and enjoy a safe, effective daily workout. Exercise 1. Three, two, one. Start. Open your arms wide, then gently lower them as you widen your stance. Sit tall, keep both feet grounded, and move with relaxed control. Exercise 2. Three, two, one. Begin. Raise your elbows and gently open through your chest as you look upward. Breathe naturally and let the stretch feel easy and refreshing. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Open your elbows as you gently rotate to the side and widen your stance. Sit tall and let the twist feel smooth and comfortable. Exercise 4. Three, two, one. Join me. Lean gently to one side as one hand reaches upward and the other extends toward your leg. Keep the movement slow and enjoy the stretch through your side. Exercise 5. 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Lift one knee as the opposite hand reaches upward with steady control. Sit tall, stay balanced on the chair, and keep the movement smooth. Exercise 6. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Press your palms forward, then draw your elbows back as you lift your heels. Sit tall and move with smooth, steady control. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it together. Open your arms wide. Then press both hands forward as you gently turn. Sit tall and let the movement flow smoothly from your center. Exercise 8. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Cross your forearms as you lift one knee with steady control. Stay tall on the chair and keep the movement smooth and balanced. Exercise 9. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Open your arms wide, then arc one arm overhead as you bend gently to the side. Breathe naturally and enjoy the stretch through your waist. Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Join me. Lift your hands slowly from your waist to chest level with your palms facing upward. Sit tall and let the movement rise smoothly with your breath. Exercise 11. Three, two, one. Follow along. Sweep one hand toward the opposite foot as the other arm reaches back. Move slowly through the stretch and keep your spine long and relaxed. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Extend your hands forward and slowly rotate through your torso. Keep your hips grounded on the chair and let the movement stay smooth and controlled. Exercise 13. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Sweep your arms outward and upward until your palms meet overhead. Sit tall, follow your hands with your eyes, and breathe smoothly throughout the movement. Begin. Lift your elbows gently toward your shoulders, then draw them inward before opening again. Keep your shoulders relaxed and let the movement feel light and easy. Exercise 15. Final relaxation. Allow your whole body to relax with slow, easy movements. Take a few deep breaths and enjoy a peaceful moment before finishing today's practice. You've just given your body a few minutes of gentle movement, and every session brings you one step closer to better health. Stay consistent, keep moving with me, and I'll see you in the next Chair Tai Chi session.